Hi guys, for today's video, I will be traveling with my family and mom. So we will be together. This is mom and Jairai's first airplane flight. That's Dudong in there, and mama and papa are in there. And we will meet our sister in Manila, and then we're gonna travel around the place and some other provinces or cities later on. They already distributed drinks and snacks. So I got water, mom got a coffee, and I got water for Rene. Bodong, my brother, my younger brother, he is going to sleep. Here's what we got. We got Casantis Especial. I don't know if I read it right. There was a tissue, and this is a new thing actually. I got a dairy milk. It's my first time receiving something like chocolate inside. Because usually if you have this already or a snack in a drink, it's all we just landed. Okay, let's wait for them. I have to. Airplane was great. It was cold, and we had snacks, and then I went to sleep a little late because I already slept a bit, and that's all I can remember. I'm waking up and hearing that we're gonna land. Okay, so we just got off the plane. It's my brother at the back. You are here. Going down. Say hi to the vlog. It's our family trip, and we are complete this time, the immediate family. And Mom Neng is also with us. That was our flight, the ZP2822 from Davao. So our carousel is carousel number 7, but we don't have a check-in luggage this time. We're all on hand carry, and we did advise we do not exceed or something. So there, saw my mom. So they're putting our luggages. And all of our things together. We're waiting right now for our sister. We're here at this bay ng mga parks. And then I think she's on the higher level of this terminal 2. And we're on the lower one because we're on domestic. And she's from the international one because she just landed from she's living in Thailand, and she just landed at around 4:14 a.m. So we prepared this so we can just eat easily. There's the beyond, there's the rice. So it's all packed in here. A bag that is easy to open for us to get. So even if we won't have a formal eating setup. At least we can eat from time to time if we got hungry. Because we're traveling, we're gonna be transferring a lot, which will consume our energy. So we really need some food, just to make sure that we're gonna be good. Okay, Ate Kate is already here, bringing her maleta and everything. And she's laughing because although Rai Rai is already big, he is still like a kid.
Bata na lang. Tulog pa rin.
So, Mama, Ate, and Dudong are together on another ride. And we'll be together. We are together with Papa, Mommy, and Rai Rai on this one.